Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are fine. I am also doing well by the mercy of Allah. So, dear friends, today I have come here at this moment. I would like to say something about my own video because I some days later I have come here in this field, and this field actually in our village behind side. So dear friends, I am not making video for 10 days. I think 15 days ago one video make, and today I again on video make. So that is why I have come here, because in our Assam government, in our local area, I think 5k biga actually eviction process in our Assam government, because this land actually sold in our India. Ambani group of industry and Adani group of industry sold this land in Assam government. So that is why this land actually eviction. And I think 7th July this area actually totally and completely eviction in Assam government. So that is why I couldn't making any video. So this is the very sad news. So this is the important things in our Assam government. Only Muslim minority area eviction. Uh, you know, uh, maximum eviction and maximum bulldozer in only one for a Muslim community and a Muslim minority area. So it's the very sad news. So that is why I couldn't making any video, and today I again start my journey and uh, learning English and practicing English video and start again my skills. So uh, you can see this is my niece, and he also come here with me. So actually he actually smile. So dear friends, so and today my start again my journey. So thank you. Next time see you again. Thank you.